Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 26th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Yearn Finance today. We're going to talk about what has occurred since our last video. As you all can see, the trap went against our original forecast, so we got that wrong. But nevertheless, we're going to get in position on this next movement so we can capitalize on that price. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification so you do not miss out on whenever we upload our predictions to YouTube. Now you can join us on Saturdays during our lookout live stream sessions if you want to see some other particular price charts, whether it's in cryptocurrency, stocks, gold, commodities, whatever the case may be. On Saturday, it's that prime opportunity for you all to take advantage of. Now, if you want to see something totally different that we usually don't cover here on this channel, you have to become an artisan member. You have to join that particular perk in order to display your particular price chart that you are interested in. All right, so here we are. We're looking at Yearn Finance. You can see the last time we did our video for Yearn was on January the 2nd, and we played the weakness into the market in Yearn, and it didn't happen. Not at all. You can see immediately following our video in Yearn, the market went the other direction, right? And that was a massive clue already that, okay, hold on. The forecast, the prediction that we generated right here on the 2nd of January may not be right. But following that particular day, the 3rd of January, the market was still showing signs that sellers are still present. Now, one thing that didn't happen that you can see is that the market didn't close lower than the previous day. Hence, let us know that the trap is still trying to increase the price. So even though you didn't get the forecast correct, you can always utilize that as a trading opportunity. And that is it. That's the reason why the market didn't go down. Is that the trap was holding. He had his bag open and he was buying up all the shares of Yearn Finance so that he can increase it higher price. And look at the price level. The market in Yearn went all the way up there towards $40,000 right here on the 18th of January. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this off of anything you was able to get out earlier. 17.01%, or could have been down about 32.37. Right now, you're ready to get out the market in Yearn Finance. Okay, so let's take that away. Let's get in position on the next price movement in Yearn. And the first thing we need to do is surveil the area. How does the market look? Where is the market trading at versus our support area? The market's up there around $30,000. Here, this line is not relevant. We don't need to keep it there then. We need to move it to a place to where price is currently acting. And it's right there towards $30,000. So what we're going to do, we're just going to follow the market. Okay. We're just going to play it. So we know that the market in Yearn is in an uptrend. So we would be expecting the trap to come in and prop up the market around $26,000 to $27,800. That's where we're looking. Okay. Now let's look at these different time frames real quick. Here we are on the 3-day time frame. We're definitely seeing weakness, especially in the next day and 13 hours. This market on this current 3-day price bar closes on the low. We still have some weakness to go through. Now, we don't have that far to go. I would be the first one to tell you, $27,000, $28,000 back down to 26 are areas of support that we can see the trap prop up the market. I'll be the first one to tell you that, which would not be coincidental because that is where the ascending line is at as well. So those price levels that I just talked about, $28,000, $26,000, we definitely need to see an influx of volume as well as a strength bar right there to let us know that the strength in Yearn is still in play. What about on the 5-day? Doesn't it look identical? Let me circle this. The first one right here, and then this one right next to each other. They look exactly identical. So what does that mean? It means that once the market in Yearn came up here towards $34,000, $36,000, that the market got inundated with people wanting to sell. And it's been so much selling at that particular level that they had to bring the market down and bring it back up so they could sell more. Bring it back down. Will we see the market go back up? Or will we finally see the market break down in Yearn to some lower prices? Right? So looking here on the weekly time frame, the market here is definitely weak. I mean, we've had opportunities over the last 3 weeks to see the market continue to go higher in price, and it hasn't even done it. The only thing that has occurred from the trap is that he brought the market up to $38,000, $40,000 to sell it, and then the market dipped on this particular weekly price bar the week of January the 11th, 2021, and then he brought it back up so he could sell more of Yearn, and then he brought it back down. So generally, that demand in the market for Yearn is waning. We're losing that demand right now in Yearn. The only hope is to see the market prop up on this ascending line. That's it. Okay. So again, just like we did last time on my video, we are still going to play the weakness in Yearn. Okay. And we told you that $28,000 could also be support, which is about 4.25%. You know, it's not much, but we already identified that that is literally where the trap can come in and prop up the market. Okay. Now, this is the last hope to see the market get strength on this ascending line. If we break that, the movement to the downside is going to be a little bit more substantial. Okay. And we're going to hold that restriction area in the market in Yearn right there around 34,000. Okay. Now, if we can't hold 26,000, definitely 24 is going to be the next area in play. So that's it. We are in position into the market for Yearn. We're still expecting some minor weakness to play out in Yearn. We identified our TP areas, $28,000, $26,000. And then if we can't hold that ascending line, we can definitely make a bigger move lower. That was your turn. What do you all see in the market for Yearn? Do you still think the market is weak? Do you still think the market is strong? Where are we headed? Because either way, you need to make sure you are in position to capitalize on the trap's price movement. And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.